IIT Pharmacy feels privileged to extend my warm welcome to our Honorable Ms. Shivani Agrawal Madam, Executive Director of the SAGE Group, respected Dr. R.V. Goswami Sir, Director at IIT Pharmacy, and all of our esteemed speakers, delegates, and all the dear participants. We welcome you on for the valedictory function of this AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy sponsored online 5 days faculty development program on topic entitled Relationship of Emotional Intelligence with Occupational Stress, Job Satisfaction, and Organizational Commitment, organized by Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Pharmacy, Bhopal. So before starting, light is the symbol of brightness and prosperity. As sunlight expels the darkness of mighty, similarly, the blessing brings in our lives the happiness and prosperity. For making this program a successful one, let's thank and invoke Goddess Saraswati Ji by kindling a lamp of knowledge and wisdom. So all of you, please join our hands and dedicate a prayer to Ma Saraswati. Now proceeding forward, I would like to introduce amongst you all our SAGE Group, which is a leading business and educational group of Central India and emerged as a unique center of excellence at all the levels of education, real estate, in practical infrastructure and industry. Our various educational ventures, that is SAGE University Bhopal and Indore, Saga Group of Institutions, SAGE International School, and our upcoming venture, that is My SAGE Hospital, they are all using the world-class management techniques and has the uncompromising learning standards and sustainability. SAGE Group, in the small time and tenure, they have reached to the extreme height and becomes a symbol of brightness and prosperity in the society. Our main tagline is the bringing happiness to society. And we are continuously 24/7 working on the same direction towards the fulfillment of this goal. We transform education into a passion. And when we talk about the SIRT Pharmacy, it was established in year 2004 with the aim to improve and develop the better health care under the umbrella of the Agrawal Technical Education Society. SIRT Pharmacy is one of the first institutes in Bhopal which is accredited by NBA and considered as a peerless center of superiority at various levels of pharmaceutical education. With the abundance of awards and recognitions, our main pillar behind this great success, SAGE Group is devoting to the super superlative by the eminent achievement of the main pillar behind this success and achievement of the SAGE Group is our respected Honorable Chairman Sir, Engineer Sanjeev Agrawal Sir, our Vice Chairman Sir, Dr. Prashant Jain Sir, our encouraging Chairperson Madam Mrs. Kiran Agrawal, and our young and dynamic Executive Director Ms. Shivani Agrawal Ma'am and Ms. Sakshi Agrawal Ma'am. Although we are not having right now with us many of the people, our inspiration, CMD Sir and the Vice Chairman Sir, but their blessings are always with us throughout this program. Now, I would like to give a brief review about this program. In these, during these,
Priyanka ma'am, shall I please play the stage video? Please, I request you, please can I play the stage video?
yes, ma'am, yes.
Yeah. The participant, kindly mute yourself. It's a request to all the participants. Now moving ahead, I would like to give a review of this faculty development program. During these 5 days of Atal sponsored online faculty development program, we have conducted total 14 lectures, technical sessions, along with the activities and tests from various renowned and eminent speakers all over the India, who shared and enlightened us with their amazing knowledge, ideas, experiences, each of us as a path through which we
utilize our emotion intelligence in such a way to reduce the stressful conditions or circumstances of our personal as well as of our professional life. And this will enhance us with the positivity, great positivity at our workplace, and ultimately increases our potentiality and productivity of our organization. In total, around 103 participants are registered, and I am thankful to all those participants who are actively participated for the betterment of their and of their society. Around of these 14 technical sessions, we have conducted one of the session which belongs to the art of living, which is mandatory according to the Atal FDP, and along with the activities are also conducted, yoga activities are also conducted according to the Atal FDP requirements. So I'm also thankful to all the speakers who gave us who gave us their extreme time, who are supposed to do and fulfill the objective and aim of this faculty development program with their great and valuable knowledge and ideas. The credit for the successful completion of this program goes to all the hard work of our speakers and the active participation of our participants. Now I would like to request Dr. R.V. Goswami sir, Director of the SIIT Pharmacy, to please address our participants, who is not only our director but also our mentor, and under his great guidance we are growing day by day. So please.
Thank you very much, Priyanka Rathod ma'am. Good evening, one and all. On behalf of the SAGE Group and SIIT Pharmacy, I welcome you all to the validated program of 5-day AICT sponsored Atal Faculty and Development Program. I welcome our dynamic Executive Director, Ms. Shivani Agrawal ji, for gracing the program with her presence. Thank you, ma'am. This unique program has been a life-changing experience for all the participant as well as us organizer also. During this 5-day program, we witnessed a wide range of the speakers who spoke on a variety of subject and topic, which were closely interrelated to each other and yet contributing to the main theme of this program. I was getting feedback from all participants that how they have learned from the program, and they will be adopting the learning from this program and in this real life. Dear participant, we are sure that you have thoroughly enjoyed the all session and in this FDP, and we would really love to have your detailed feedback. We hope now you are able to control your serotonin. You know that one of the hormones, serotonin, which is the responsible for the anxiety control, to how to control the anxiety and perform better to better and emotion and put your energy to better use. I would like to thank AICT for accepting and choosing us to conduct this FDP on this very interesting topic. I thank each and every resource person who has accepted our request and taken wonderful lecture and in this FDP. And once again, I was thanked to Executive Director Madam for his gracious presence for the precious time, and thanks to all, and Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivating and always inspiring words. Now it's the time to welcome and to introduce amongst our participants our young leading role model, Ms. Shivani Agrawal Madam. Before starting, I would like to give a brief review about the ma'am. Ms. Shivani Agrawal, Executive Director of the SAGE Group. She is a young, energetic and visionary, spearheading entrepreneur, an architect, a thinker, and an ardent philanthropist. At a very young age, she is impacting lives as a leading lady, hailing from Central India. She has an unwavering focus on the evolving education sector through her innovative instincts. Ma'am has completed her graduation from NIT in architecture. She pursued her further studies from the London School of Economics and Political Sciences, Wellesley. Finally, she has completed a PG diploma from the University of California, LA, USA. She was felicitated by the World Research Association with the title Young Entrepreneur in the year 2019 by none other than the diva of the Tinsel town, Ms. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. She was felicitated by the ex-governor of MP, Srimati Anandiben Patel, at a gracious event which is organized by the media group at the Governor House for a remarkable contribution to a revolutionary change in higher education and modern school education. Ma'am has received various coveted awards, honors, and accolades in recognition of her stimulating accomplishments. Ma'am is also not only the inspiring source for the young generation, but also for our faculties and for the growing person also. So with these words, uh, I would like to invite ma'am to please address our participants with her encouraging words. Please, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Priyanka ma'am. And thank you, Goswami sir, for calling me in this beautiful event. I am really so grateful to see so many eminent speakers. I would like to thank each person, Dr. Munish Garg from Rohtak, Haryana, Dr. Neeraj Upamanyu from Bhopal, Dr. Pooja Mehta from again Bhopal, Dr. Jyoti Sharma from DAVV Indore, Mr. Ankur Mehta from Pune, Dr. Poonam Shripad from Pune, Maharashtra, Dr. Deepika Sharma from Bangalore, Karnataka, Ms. Devyani Tarde from Pune, Mr. Nitin Joshi from Pune, Dr. Bhavya Bairi from Karnataka, Bangalore, Dr. Richa Chopra from Sonipat, Haryana, Dr. Prateek Jain from SUI Sage University, Indore, Mr. Mahendra Joshi from Bhopal, Miss Nupur Gupta from Goa. There were so many great speakers. There were so many people from around the world who, who were here, who presented themselves, who taught us so many great things. And the topic was so apt in today's world, even after Corona, especially when everybody is mostly working from home, and it is even more stressful to work from home than from office, because from home there are so many things which come our way, more than they come at the office. One thing that we have all learned is the power of communication while working from home. All of us have seen how communication becomes difficult when we are not at the same place, when we have to communicate through Zoom or through phone or through messages or through emails. It becomes even more difficult, and that builds up the stress level. That is what I felt. That is my personal feeling. So I feel that all of us have now realized the importance of good communication, easy communication. I am sure all these great people have shared, so many concepts on how we can reduce that stress, on how to, improve our working, on how to, in fact, pharmacy related as well, with what medicines to take, or, how to improve the lifestyle, everything of that sort. But I just feel, recently Anubhavanand Swami ji was also here, and he very nicely said he has given this happy mantra mala. All of you can go online on YouTube and just put happy mantra mala, and you will find a very nice mantra, which is, I think, 8 to 10 lines. And it really is very simple Hindi language, but great meaning. All of us know what it is all about. All of us will very easily understand, the different 10, 12 lines, whatever it has. It is all, very simple things. For example, one line is of it is dekho suno mat bolo, which is, you should see everything, you should listen to everything, but you should only speak at your chance. You should not speak at random. This is like, everybody know we should do this, but when we come to hear it every day, then we remember it, and then we start to implement it in our life. One of the good things that that is there in this mantra is also like, Thari marzi is mari marzi. मतलब कि जो भगवान की मर्जी होगी वो ही मेरी मर्जी है। हम सब लोग जो भगवान में बिलीव करते हैं वो भगवान को ले लें, जो वो एनर्जी में बिलीव करते हैं वो एनर्जी ले लें, जो अपने पेरेंट्स में बिलीव करते हैं वो पेरेंट्स को मान लें। मतलब जिस भी ग्रेटर पावर में आप बिलीव करते हैं उसको मान लीजिए कि थारी मर्जी मारी मर्जी। मतलब जैसा भगवान ने हमारे लिए सोच के रखा है वो बेस्ट है, उसी मतलब वो मेरे लिए बेस्ट है, क्योंकि हम तो सिर्फ आज का सोच पा रहे हैं, हम तो सिर्फ कल का सोच पा रहे हैं। भगवान ने तो हमारा मतलब आगे आगे तक का सोचा हुआ है, और उस वो जो उनने सोचा हुआ है उसकी सोच से आगे तो कुछ है ही नहीं। तो इतना सिंपल, हम सब लोग ट्राई करते रहते हैं कि हम हाथ पैर इधर भी मारे उधर भी मारे हैं, फिर हमें मिलती नहीं है, हम वो चीज से दुखी हो जाते हैं, फिर हम हाथ पैर मारते रहते हैं। हमें ट्राई करना है, हमें वी ऑल ऑफ अस हैव टू कीप वर्किंग हार्ड। इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि जो भगवान चाहेगा वो हो जाएगा, मैं तो बस हाथ पे हाथ धर के रख ही रहा हूँ। नो, वी हैव टू कीप ट्राइंग, बट वी डोंट हैव टू गेट सैड व्हेन वी डोंट गेट एनीथिंग इन लाइफ। That is the concept behind this little phrase थारी मर्जी मारी मर्जी। ऐसे एक और लाइन है उसमें हम तो टाइम पास के लिए आए हैं, टाइम पास के लिए इस दुनिया में आए हैं। तो हर आप लोग बहुत ब्यूटीफुली देखेंगे, हर जो सेंटेंस है उस मंत्र का, मैं फिर से रिपीट करती हूँ, हैप्पी मंत्र माला। आप सब लोग प्लीज एक बार जाइएगा यूट्यूब पे, जरूर डाउनलोड करिएगा। तो हम टाइम पास के लिए आए हैं जब वो बोल रहे हैं, तो कोई इसका डबल मीनिंग भी मिला, हर उसका सेंटेंस डबल मीनिंग है। अब कौन सा वाला मीनिंग हमें समझना है वो हमारे ऊपर है। तो टाइम पास के लिए जब आए हैं वो बोलते हैं, तो इसका ये मतलब भी हो सकता है कि यार हमें तो कुछ करना ही नहीं है, हम मतलब हमारा कोई रोल नहीं है इस दुनिया में, हम तो बस टाइम पास के लिए आए हैं, तो जैसी जिंदगी कट रही है कटने दो। नो, हम टाइम पास के लिए आए हैं, इसका मतलब है ऑफ कोर्स वी आर सेंट हियर फॉर अ रीजन, ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव टू फुलफिल आवर रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज, ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव टू डू समथिंग ग्रेट फॉर अदर्स, ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव टू do something which makes people remember us after us also. All of that we have to do, but at the same time टाइम पास के लिए आया का मतलब ये है कि हमें स्ट्रेस बिना लिए करना है जो भी करना है। जब तक हम खुद को ये मैसेज देंगे कि यार हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं हो तो भी मैं खुश हूँ, अगर ये मैसेज हम खुद को दे रहे हैं तो लाइफ में हम कभी परेशान हो ही नहीं सकते। तो दिस इज द मैसेज बिहाइंड हम टाइम पास लाइन। सो देयर आर दीज फ्रेजेस, ऑल ऑफ यू कैन गो टू दैट। सो आई फाउंड अ बिग 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 स्ट्रेस रिलीफ फ्रॉम दिस मंत्रा। तो मुझे जब गोस्वामी सर ने बताया दैट आई हैव टू speak a few words in this beautiful event, I just thought that I should give you something which remains with you for life, which can inspire you every day. So this is my message, and of course thank you to all the speakers. You guys have taken out so much precious time from your life and imparted such good knowledge to all the 62 participants, 82 participants who are here. And from SUI Prateek sir and SGI Mahendra, special thanks to both of you also for organizing everything, from for building the rapport, for basically building the brand and everything. Thank you so much. Thank you all the speakers, and thank you all the participants that you guys were so patient to listen to all the speakers and grasp the knowledge, and I would just recommend to implement it as well. जितना टाइम हमने इसमें दिया है उस टाइम का यूटिलाइजेशन करें, and let us improve our future time to come from this event that SIRT Pharmacy has created. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for always being so motivating. You are a true source of inspiration, encouragement, and positivity for all of us. And we have always seen you working 24/7 without any stress, with a smiling face. So please keep smiling. And thank you so much for sharing this happy mantra with our participants. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing our function. So now I request amongst our participants, Mrs. Asha, Dr. Asha Gaur, Madam from Oriental College of Technology, to please share his views with our audience.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. Some network issue over here. I don't know, my camera is not switching on. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
There's some network issue. We'll take a minute if someone else has
Meanwhile,
to
if any
speak,
of
then
any other participant,
okay.
Ms. Khushi madam, if you are comfortable, then you can please share your views.
Yes, ma'am.
Or any other participant.
Yes, ma'am. Kaval this side, can I?
Yeah, ma'am, you are
Please,
audible.
please,
Yes.
ma'am.
Please, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. I'm Kavalpreet Sahni from Chandigarh University, Mohali. Good afternoon, everyone. I thoroughly enjoyed almost all the sessions. All the sessions were very engaging, interactive, and informative. Speakers were really, really good. I'm speechless. They have shared their in-depth knowledge and expertise. I am definitely enlightened, and I'm going to, as much as I can impart to my students, right? And above all, our dear Sagians, right? I've learned this word. So I wanted to congratulate all the Sagians and people, behind the scene. Ms. Surbi, Ms. Priyanka took care of everything during these 5 days of FDP. So thank you so much, everyone behind the scenes. Please take good care of your health. Looking forward for such wonderful sessions again. See you soon. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yes, Khushi madam.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, hello to everyone. I am Khushi
Hello,
Manat. I
yeah,
am
good
pursuing my
evening.
doctorate.
Good evening, everyone.
Let us speak
Okay,
now.
sorry, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are
Okay,
audible,
Yeah,
ma'am.
please, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Yeah, this 5 days FDP was wonderful. It expanded my emotional intelligence so that I can implement it for developing myself as well as my students. And I believe that each session which we had, almost 14 lectures, all were, I mean, really, really so good that I learned so many things which I will have to implement on myself and definitely will incorporate them when I teach my students. And the workshop was meticulously organized by SIRT Pharmacy and Priyanka ma'am, Surbi ma'am, and the SAGE group. I'm very thankful and very happy that I registered for this wonderful workshop. Thank you again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yes, Khushi madam, please, ma'am, welcome.
Yeah, hi again. Okay, I'm Khushi Manat. I'm working with SSIPS as a TPO and I'm pursuing my PhD in English as well. Okay, the topic of this FDP has been very unique and I'm really glad that I joined it. Okay, and I'll not go into cliche and say it was wonderful or nice, but would rather share with you my experience. On the first day when I joined this FDP, I was kind of gloomy and depressed. But after these 5 days, I'm seeing a change in myself. I am a cheerful and motivated person once again. So I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Pooja Mehta, who brought my smile back, and a few others as well, like Captain Nitin, Dr. Neeraj, Dr. Poonam, and other eminent speakers for such wonderful sessions, which made us take a pause in our daily routine and find the inner us. And thanks a lot, the team SAGE, for such well organized event. Thank you, Surbi ma'am. Thank you, Priyanka ma'am. Thanks a lot. I'm looking forward to attending such FDPs in future as well. Thank you.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Thank you so much, ma'am. And sir, as we can see in our participant list that most of our speaker has joined our valedictory session as well. So I would like to welcome once again all the dignitaries, all the speakers. So if any of the speaker want to share their views regarding our 5 days FDP program, if any of the speaker feel comfortable, then please welcome. We want to hear.
Hello, madam. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sure.
Yes, sir. So, good afternoon, sir. Myself, Sridhar Birgi. I'm working as an assistant professor in Engineering College, Ballari, Karnataka. I would like to put forth my views for this ATAL FDP program. I thank everyone for organizing such a wonderful workshop. Here I would like to take 1 or 2 minutes and speak about some takeaways about some of the faculty speakers who have given some ideas. First of all, I would like to start with Professor Nitin Joshi sir. Sir explained very beautifully about the basic emotions, the self-awareness and self-management, relationship management in excellent fashion, sir. Actually, it was very easy to understand. So precisely he was able to explain. And few takeaways what I liked the most about that particular session was sir said always pinpoint the problem and start solving it. That was the best thing sir quoted. And he gave a beautiful example of juggling of the balls, where he compared those 4 balls to the work, family, health and friends. That was one of the best things, sir. Followed by, I would like to highlight about Pooja Mehta ma'am. Initially, ma'am told we have to turn on our videos, no slides, etc. Initially, I was taken off. आते ही मैडम ने 5 questions दे दिए सबको, like you have to answer, etc. We started off, sir. Believe me, ma'am's. I'm not telling that. I'm not comparing here, but ma'am's session was one of the best sessions I personally felt. Most energetic session था Pooja Mehta madam की. Even I shared that with my family members and even with my colleagues, fellow colleagues. As a teacher, even I look forward to acquire the communication skills what madam has, so that I can implement in the teaching for my students. And ma'am का एक अच्छा था, कुछ lines I would like to reiterate. Stop expectations, be happy. And ma'am का एक dialogue था, मैं शेरनी हूँ. That was like a punchline था ma'am का, मैं शेरनी हूँ. She used to always reiterate some 2 or 3 times. And ma'am was very kind enough to even share her weight loss journey. उन्होंने अपना phone number भी share किया सारे, team members के साथ, so that if they have any help required, she was ready to help out. And Professor Neeraj sir, उन्होंने holistic education के बारे में बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से समझाया. And Lord Macaulay's letter, it brought I was not aware about such letters which was written to the British Parliament or holistic education के बारे में, the meaning of the guru, वो सब तो था. But Lord Macaulay's letter was one of the best goosebumps moment, and our students, our faculty expectations, it was too good, sir. And Mahindra Joshi sir का भी उन्होंने, he emphasized on book reading habits, etc. And why MBA was introduced, etc. All these things were very good, sir. And last, I would like to say a few words about Richa ma'am. Richa ma'am presentation was top notch, sir. It was like I really wonder, like, how can she be so calm, composed in her presentation? She was like very beautiful. Her presentation was, oh, ऐसे बता रहे थे जैसे बच्चों को समझाते हैं. She was explaining in that particular manner. It was mind blowing. And maybe I will not be able to cover everyone. It doesn't mean that every session was good, sir. Maybe I just highlighted some faculty members. And special thanks to Survi ma'am and Priyanka ma'am for organizing this FDP. Thank you, and I look forward for attending such sessions. It was really a very good and worth time spending session that we have participated, sir. I thank the ATAL FDP and all the organizers for giving us such a wonderful workshop and bringing such a wonderful speakers on this platform, sir. Thank you everyone.
Thank you very much, Sridhar sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
I think Dr. Pooja Mehta ma'am is here. Ma'am.
Yes, Subi. I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah, ma'am.
First of all, thank you very much, Sridhar sir and Khushi ma'am.
Thanks, ma'am.
Seriously, thank you very much. और एक एक्सपीरियंस मैं जरूर शेयर करना चाहूंगी कि सेशन के बाद जब खुशी मैम का मेरे पास फोन आया और उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि सीरियसली योर सेशन हैज चेंज माय लाइफ, 80% काम कर गया. तो द क्रेडिट गोज टू सेज यूनिवर्सिटी बिकॉज फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग इतनी दूर रहकर, मतलब आई थिंक खुशी आप दिल्ली में रहते हो और इतनी दूर रहकर आप किसी से कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हो, दिस इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ यू, सुरभि, प्रियंका मैम, गोस्वामी सर, सेज यूनिवर्सिटी. थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड ट्रस्ट मी. मैंने उस दिन भी कहा था और आज भी ये कह रही हूँ कि बस जस्ट टेक लाइफ एज इट कम्स. आज खुशी रियली सीरियसली आर लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल।
थैंक यू।
इसी तरीके से हमेशा जब भी सेशन अटेंड करें, हमेशा अपना वीडियो ऑन करके अपने चेहरे पे एक हल्की सी मुस्कुराहट रखिए। हर ट्रेनर आपको अच्छा लगेगा, ट्रस्ट मी, हर ट्रेनर अच्छा लगेगा। थैंक यू सेज यूनिवर्सिटी, थैंक यू सुरभि, सीरियसली सुरभि, लव यू so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you Goswami sir, thank you very much.
Pooja
Thank
ma'am,
you.
Pooja ma'am,
Always welcome, ma'am.
I
Thank you.
want to say something.
Yes please.
Dr. Pooja, like, I haven't stopped smiling since I've attended your class. Like,
Oh,
I am
thank you very much.
smiling throughout all my workshops, even from morning to night.
I
So
swear.
I'm thankful to
God
you.
bless
Thank
you.
you.
And I'm always there. I'm always there for you. Anytime, anytime. Please, God bless you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a
Thank
lot,
you.
Surbhi ma'am and Priyanka ma'am, for such wonderful
हाँ, हम लोगों
workshop.
को
And like,
अच्छा
I'm saying
दोस्त
it again
बनाने
and
के
again.
लिए सुरभि, यस, हमें अच्छा दोस्त बनाने के लिए सुरभि और प्रियंका मैम, थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
I regret that I'm not in Bhopal. I would have met you all. I mean, I would love to see you all in person.
Ma'am, you are most
Someday I
welcome
might.
to campus as well at Sage University Bhopal. That is very beautiful campus which is situated in Bhopal. So ma'am, most welcome. Hope to see you.
Well, definitely, I have to come to Bhopal. I guess next month. So I'll try to be in touch and meet you all.
Yes, sure.
Sure,
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Can I share my views,
Yes,
please,
ma'am.
if you
Please,
permit?
ma'am, please,
Yeah.
please.
First of all, thank you all the organizers. Truly, it was very, very commendable, organization of the event, and the topics were really very good. Speakers were all the more wonderful, giving real life examples to us. Rather, I was also discussing earlier also in my sessions, I mean, in the sessions which these experts have taken, that we all know about all these things, we all know the nuances of emotional intelligence, of how we have to cope up with this, but somehow we don't practice it. We also know that, ki this is important and time is important and we have to be positive about ourselves, but still we forget. And, in this particular 5 days, we are again rejuvenated. We are again, having the same energy, positive energy within us. Credit goes to the organizers and all the speakers. Special mention again to Dr. Pooja. You were really very nice, ma'am. And Captain Nitin was wonderful. All were good, but there were some people who leave the mark. And these are those few, those who leave the mark. And then this Ankur Mehta, sir, he was wonderful, subtly he took us from something to everything. That was really very good. So thank you so very much. Even we people wish to have such good speakers in our college, so that we can also, let our faculty, our colleagues and our students benefit out of your expertise. Thank you so very much. It was really wonderful, and good luck to all of you for the successful event.
Ma'am, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. I think Dr. Nitin Dubey, sir, I would like to welcome you, sir. You want to share some thought as a video message? So please welcome.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, Ms. Shivani Agarwal, madam, Dr. R.V. Goswami, sir, organizing secretary and coordinator, Surbhi, madam, and Priyanka Rathore, madam. Good evening. Myself, Dr. Nitin Dubey. I am from College of Pharmacy, IPS Academy, Indore, MP. I was a participant from last 5 days in such a wonderful 5 days Atal FDP program. It was really wonderful. Actually, I could learn how to nurture myself, my family member, even my kid and my students, so that we can regulate our stress level and still being competent in such a cutthroat competition world. It gives us an idea how to positively take things, how to identify loopholes, how to recharge ourselves whenever we are low. There were certain clues which were really wonderful. Everybody has told Dr. Pooja Mehta was just wonderful. She recharged all of us with her energy. There are many other speakers such as Ankur Mehta sir, Mahendra Joshi sir, Nitin Joshi sir, then Munish Garg sir. Then the definition of quality time with the student, with our family members by Jyoti Sharma ma'am. There were certain clues which were very nice. I would like to thank the SIRTP group for successfully organizing such a wonderful FDP, delivering the intended outcome, and it was only possible because it was done with intentions which were close to their own heart. And in the last, I would definitely like to thank Surbhi Jain madam and Priyanka Rathore madam. You were excellent host, wonderful handling of program. Thank you very much for such a wonderful FDP. Looking forward to such FDPs in future again. Please do not forget me by you. Thank you very much.
Sir,
Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Nitin Dubey. Thank you.
So, thank you.
Can I, ma'am?
Yeah, Mr. Dr. Ram Bishnoi also saying something. Yeah, please, Ram.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, first of all, I want to say thank you all Sagian for organizing such a nice, wonderful events. So really, it is heart touching, or what I can say that I have attended various FDP program actually, but till this FDP, the all program was not such effective, but definitely this FDP was leave some special impact on my lifestyle. So I will definitely follows the all try to follow all the session experts, but it is not possible. But I will try to make indulge in my life. I will try to inculcate all the things that was delivered by the expert in my life. So मुझे ये कोई कहते हुए कोई ये नहीं, वो हर्ज भी नहीं हो रहा है कि ये जो जितने भी डिलीवरी थी वो गोल्ड.
Dr. Ram, unmute, please. Unmute कर लीजिए राम. Dr. Ram जी, please.
जी जी. So सब पूजा मैम से लेके ज्योति मैम सबके लेक्चर बहुत ही इम्पैक्टफुल थे. तो मैं सबको थैंक्स बोलना चाहता हूँ. जितने भी एक्सपर्ट थे उन्होंने अपना पूरा जी जान लगाया हुआ था. तो रियल में मुझे ऐसे लग नहीं रहा था कि मैं कोई काम भी इम्पोर्टेंट काम भी था तो मैं वो कान में कंटिन्यूसली डाल के सुन जरूर रहा था. तो रियल में बहुत मेरे लिए तो लाइफ स्टाइल को चेंज करने वाले सारे सेशंस थे. तो सारे एक्सपर्ट्स को मैं स्पेशली थैंक्स बोलना चाहूंगा. और मैं कोई कंपेयर नहीं कर सकता कि गोल्ड स्टैंडर्ड लेक्चर थे या डायमंड स्टैंडर्ड. मैं सबको डायमंड बोल रहा हूँ. सारे बहुत अच्छे थे. थैंक यू वेरी मच टू ईच एंड एवरी एक्सपर्ट एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच टू सेज ग्रुप.
थैंक यू सर. सर ये तभी पॉसिबल हो पाया बिकॉज हमारे ऑनरेबल इंजीनियर संजीव अग्रवाल सर हमें हमेशा बताते हैं, मोटिवेट करते हैं कि यस इट्स पॉसिबल विद सेज. सेज है तो मुमकिन है. तो हमने उसी कंप्लायंस के साथ अपना काम किया और गोस्वामी सर ने हमें लीड किया थ्रू आउट 5 days. हमें बहुत अच्छे से सपोर्ट मिला. सर का इंटायर मैनेजमेंट हैज सपोर्टेड अस एंड थैंक यू रिस्पेक्टेड सीएमडी सर, ईडी मैम, वाइस चेयरमैन सर फॉर ऑलवेज शोवर योर ब्लेसिंग्स ऑन ईच ऑफ अस. So, yes.
Can I? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Please.
Please.
Heart is always silence, and your success is actually your noise. It should be a noise, and the best way to shut up the world's mouth is to produce result. And I'm Dr. Deepika Sharma. I just don't want to say here anything as a speaker because मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ. जितना लोगों ने speakers को मैंने सुना तो उसके आगे मुझे लगता है इट वाज एन गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी जो सेज ग्रुप SIRT ने मुझे दी यहाँ प्लेटफॉर्म पे बोलने के लिए. एंड इट वाज लाइक जितना सुना और जितना सीखा, एंड आई वुड लाइक टू इम्प्लीमेंट ईच एंड एवरी सिंगल सेंटेंस जितना सर और मैम ने बोला फॉर एवर टिल माई लास्ट ब्रेथ. And thank you Surbhi ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, the way you used to coordinate, because it's so easy के सामने 2 minute का performance हो जाए, but then performance के पीछे जितना भी मेहनत लगती है, it's like very difficult. I cannot express in words. तो जितनी मेहनत आप लोगों ने करी है, it's immense, it's so good, and thank you so much everyone. हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए.
I think ma'am has lost her connectivity. So with your kind permission, sir, ma'am, shall I proceed ahead? Yeah. Yes, sir. Sir, shall I proceed ahead for both of time?
Please.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So good evening to everyone present here. Respected Executive Director, Ms. Shivani Agrawal, Madam. Our respected Director, Dr. R.B. Goswami, sir, convener of the program, our most valued and invited speakers, and all the participants and my colleagues. On behalf of Sagar Institute of Research in Technology Pharmacy, I, Professor Surbhi Jain, Organizing Secretary of the program, it's a great honor and privilege to deliver a vote of thanks on this AICTE Atal Online FDP on the topic entitled Relationship of Emotional Intelligence with Occupational Stress, Job Satisfaction and Organizational Commitment. I must mention a deep sense of appreciation for Honorable Engineer Sanjeev Agrawal Sir, Chairman SGI, Chancellor Sage University Bhopal and Indore, and Executive Director Ms. Shivani Agrawal Ma'am, and the entire Sage family for being with us, for always supporting us. I also wish to express my gratitude to our respected R.B. Goswami Sir, Director SIIT Pharmacy and convener of the program, for providing inspiring mentorship, encouragement, support throughout this FDP. I am very much thankful to AICTE Atal. Without their generous financial support, it would not have been possible to organize such great events. We are fortunate to have eminent and renowned personalities, speakers from academia and industries from all over India. They have delivered very interesting, thought-provoking address and changed and transformed the mind of our participants. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for respected Professor Dr. Manish Garg Sir, Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences at Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak, Haryana, for motivating our participants and for the inaugural function of this FDP. Sir has also addressed our participants with his technical lecture on the topic Relationship of Emotional Intelligence with Occupational Stress, Job Satisfaction and Organizational Commitment. I may like to express my sincere thanks to Dr. Bhavya K. Berry Ma'am, Assistant Professor of Psychiatry, Nemhans Digital Academy, Bangalore, Karnataka, for giving excellent talk on emotional intelligence and its role in occupational stress. I also want to thank Ms. Divyani Tarde, Madam, Manager Talent Acquisition for Honeybee Consultancy, Pune, for delivering excellent talk on relationship of emotional intelligence with job satisfaction. I also wish to express my gratitude to Captain Nitin Joshi, Corporate Skill Trainer, Pune, Maharashtra, for delivering excellent talk on relationship of emotional intelligence with occupational stress. I also wish to acknowledge my gratitude to Dr. Pooja Mehta, Consultant Psychologist and Counselor, Life Coach and Chairperson, Abir Life Skill Welfare Society, Bhopal, for delivering an excellent talk on Journey to Emotion Maturity. I may like to express my sincere gratitude to respected Dr. Neeraj Upmanyu Sir, Professor and Principal SOPR, People's University, Bhopal, who delivered an excellent session on enhancing efficiency and behavioral skill of faculty. I am very much thankful to Mr. Mahendra Joshi, motivational speaker, corporate trainer, and counselor, who delivered an expert talk on relationship of emotional intelligence with organizational commitment. I would like to thank Dr. Deepika Sharma, Assistant Professor, Kingdom College, Bangalore, for giving excellent session on emotional intelligence, relationship with emotional quotient. I would like to thank Dr. Richa Chopra, Professor of Practice, Rastram School of Public Leadership, Rishigood University, Sonipat. She delivered an excellent talk on Art of Living, which is a mandatory session in our Atal FDP program. I may like to express my sincere thanks to Mr. Ankur Mehta, spiritual consultant, speaker, and motivational speaker, founder, Pause and Learn Studio, Pune, who delivered thought-provoking lecture on emotions and me. I am very much thankful to Dr. Prateek Jain, Sagian, Head and Training Placement, Industry Interaction Cell, Sage University, Indore, who delivered very informative session on understanding and developing emotional intelligence for self-satisfaction and success in life. I also wish to thank Dr. Jyoti Sharma, Professor at International Institute of Professional Studies, DAVD, Indore, who gave her very informative session on emotional intelligence and stress management with special reference to neuro-linguistic programming. I would like to acknowledge a special thanks to Dr. Poonam Basarkar Madam, Assistant Professor and Certified Psychometric Test Professional, MES in Institute of Management and Career Course, Pune, who delivered excellent talk on understanding emotional intelligence and occupational stress, along with very nice activity of psychometric test. I'm thankful to Ms. Nupur Gupta. She is PGT in CBSE affiliated school, Goa, who provide us valuable knowledge of yogic practice and its relevance to emotional intelligence. Thank you all from my deep inside the heart. Further, we are grateful to each and every person who have attended this FDP. I hereby expressing my overwhelming heartfelt thanks to all the participants from different institutes who came on Zoom platform to attend this FDP program. I'm sure that the participants must have benefited by attending this FDP. Finally, I would like to take the opportunity to place on record our heartfelt thanks to Professor Priyanka Rathore ma'am for perfect logistic support and wonderful coordination during the FDP program. We have been fortunate enough to back by a team of very motivated and dedicated Sagians, the colleagues of SIRT Pharmacy who knows their job and are result oriented. Last but not least, I would like to thank the entire Sage family, my Sage family, the management for all the support you provided so that we are able to gather on this Zoom online platform and successfully completed this entire FDP program. So once again, I'm thankful to all the members, all the participants, all the respected dignitaries. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Over to you, sir. Goswami, sir.
Thank you, Surbhi. And it is not last, but definitely the participant learned a lot of things. I think as I got the feedback from yours, and definitely you have to control the anxiety on your workplace and perform better to better day by day. So this is the motto of this FDP. And I'm thankful to great speakers who deliver the excellent thing, which if we can use this, definitely we improve our potential in the work field without any anxiety. And thankful to the Shivani madam who always give some different way to how to control the anxiety. And definitely I know she's very in spiritual knowledge also have. Thank you, madam. And thank you one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
sir.
Thank you.
So, sir, with your kind permission, sir, shall we conclude our session here?
Yeah, please.
So there is a small announcement for the participant that the test link for entire FDP program, I will share the link in chat box along with the WhatsApp group. So please attend the assessment thoroughly. It's very easy test. And this is that we have to do for the certification program as per ATAL guideline. We have to provide the certificate for those who attend this exam, and you have to secure at least 60% marks so that it will be easy for us to provide you the certificate. So I'm sharing the link. Just give me a second.
Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Can I leave, Peter?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Goswami.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you.
Good day, sir.
Participants, please find the link of questionnaire in your chat box. And thank you to all the participants for your active participation, and have a great life. Wish you all the best for your future endeavor. Thank you so much.